Cure Brain Cancer Foundation's Clinical Accelerator is the world's largest brain cancer dedicated fund of its kind. Worth $2 million, the Clinical Accelerator is part of the Foundation's commitment to accelerate new treatments to patients as quickly as possible. Our vision is to mirror the urgency of our community, people living with brain cancer, who don't have the luxury of time. For them, we need to be bold, courageous, and innovative, taking high-risk investments for a potentially high reward. The standard treatment regime for brain cancer has barely changed in 30 years, and survival has remained stagnant at 22% for that period. New treatments are urgently needed. The Clinical Accelerator program targets a crucial point in the drug and treatment development pathway, called the Valley of Death. New drugs and therapies are developed in laboratories, where they undergo years of preclinical testing and modeling. Taking new therapies from this preclinical environment into the clinic, where they can be administered to patients, is a huge undertaking and requires them to conquer this valley of death, where unfortunately many new therapies fail. Contributing to this is the existence of a significant funding gap. While preclinical research is funded by government and universities, and clinical research is funded by industry and the private sector, there's limited funding available at the crucial point of translating research into the clinic. Here, the risk involved are too high for sophisticated investments, and often too late to receive government grant support. The Clinical Accelerator aims to bridge that gap by supporting translational research from the laboratory into the clinic to ultimately progress new drugs and therapies past the valley of death. Our $2 million investment will act as leverage for researchers and industry partners so they can develop the necessary proof of concept data, which can then be used for securing larger, sophisticated investment and partnerships. This program will enable leading researchers to advance their pioneering ideas into clinical development and will support biotechnology and pharmaceutical industry partners to progress new, urgently needed treatments for brain cancer.